everybody, welcome back to Cookin with James. I'm your host James. Today is going to be awesome. We are doing Cornish game hens on the air fryer oven elite rotisserie style. Stick around. Alright guys, so here's what we got. We got two premium Cornish hens. That's what we got, just to kind of show you what they are. Two little ones by Tyson. I'm sure you've seen these in the stores. So I'm not going to take you through cutting them open and all that stuff. So I just want to show you what I have. I'll bring you right back. We're going to season them up and get them prepared. Alright guys, so we are back. I took them out. I've got one of these already tied up. I'm going to show you how to do the other one. So there's two of these. On the drumsticks, I took a little bit of barbecue or butcher twine, bind the legs here, and then I got some rope under here, some barbecue twine, and we're simply just going to tie them up. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and season this up. One thing I want to say before we get to this point, make sure you rinse your chicken and everything before you get to this point, which I rinsed everything off, patted it dry. So that's where we're at. Alright guys, so we got our hens here. And this is what we're going to be using on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite for the rotisserie. And it is really simple. I mean, just in the cavity of the chicken, just go right through the cavity, just like that. These little prongs right here, just stick them in the chicken. That's going to hold the chicken, just like that. And the other one, same thing. Now the drumsticks, I'm going to face this way down. The other ones are going to face the opposite way. And the attachment, it's really super simple. You stick it on, and you stick it right in the chicken, and then, there we go, just like that. And then tighten the screw down, just like that. And now you're ready to go on the Air Fryer Oven Elite. It's that simple, literally just that simple. So I'll bring you right back and I'll show you how to throw it on. Okay guys, so we are at the air fryer now. Now I put it in, let me bring you in here real quick. There's two racks right here and on this side right here where it just slides in. It's so easy to put in. Alright, now there's a little red button right here. In that back, you can see that little black thing that moves in. That is it, folks. All you have to do, I'm gonna set this camera down for just a minute and bring you right in here. So all you have to do, literally, is just hit this red button, just like this. That back piece moves, and this goes right back and slides right in, just like that. That is all you have to do. End of story. Close the door. Yes, all we have to do actually is hit the power button, hit the rotisserie button right there. They want it at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And wait for the fan to kick on. See what happens here. Oh, that was the light button. And let's bring it down to the bottom and see what's going on. We are, sure enough, rotating. Alright guys, there was the final beep. Let me get you in here and see. Alright. Now we were 163 and I think 168 or something, so I know this is done. I get another 10 minutes. Actually, it was a total cook time of 40 minutes. This is how easy it is to take it out. You got the red button right here. You literally just push that thing to the right. Get your little tongs in here. Oh, there we go. And pull it right out. Just like that. Oh man, let me do this to the cutting board. I'll get it with you guys in just a minute. Those look awesome. All right, guys, I took them off the rotisserie. It took me a couple of minutes, but they've been sitting for probably about 10 minutes. They're still hot. I can see steam coming off them, but let me just kind of show you what's going on here with one of these. Yeah, they're still pretty warm. Juices are flowing, but oh my gosh. I mean, just beautiful. Look at that. Look at that wing, that drumstick. So, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a knife, and I'm not gonna need a big knife. These are just Cornish hens, and geez, I don't know if I'm gonna slice into with the breast. Well, yeah, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna go down to the back of this wing real quick. I wonder what this wing tastes like. And it's just like a chicken. Follow all the way back. They have thighs, they have everything. But oh my gosh. You guys can see that. I'm gonna take a bite. That little wing, good. Oh, the thigh. Oh my gosh. That's superb. All right, guys, I'm gonna bring you back up here in just a minute. All right, guys, so we finished the rotisserie on the air fryer with the Cornish hens, and they're amazing. They're awesome. I know I pulled the wing off and I said thigh, dust, not a thigh, the drumstick, but I can cut. I mean, let me cut you what would be a quarter on a whole chicken and show you what that's looking like. So this is actually what the thigh would be. So this is a leg, basically a leg quarter on a Cornish game hen. Look at that. I mean, this, I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of that thing. Oh my gosh. I already tried the breast. It is phenomenal, just juicy. Got little drumsticks here. This is a little personal chicken. 1 minute. I just need something to wipe my face because it's so juicy. It's awesome, guys. This was a very, very successful cook. The air fryer did an amazing job. This is something that, if you have an air fryer, you can absolutely do. If not, some game hens or some Cornish hens are awesome for any occasion. They don't take long at all. Preparation is barely nothing. Season them up, throw them in the oven if you want. These turned out phenomenal. Absolutely. So that being said, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, all that great stuff. Make sure to hit the bell for the notifications to get all my future videos. But this video turned out amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this stuff. And yeah, with that being said, guys, we'll catch you on the next cook.